In this lesson, we will cover questions from Unit 7, Section 7.6, Properties of Systems of Linear Equations. Question 1. How many solutions does the graphed linear system contain? Now is a perfect opportunity to review those three types of solutions that are possible. The first one, if we have different slopes and different y-intercepts, we have one solution. Parallel lines with the same slope and a different y-intercept will be zero solution or none. And the third possibility is when you have the same slope and the same y-intercept. And that will give us the infinite solution possibility. So here, if we look, we have parallel lines. They will never intersect or cross over each other. They have the same slope, but different y-intercept. Therefore, we have no solution. There will be no point of intersection. Question 2. Determine the number of solutions for the linear system. Y subtract 1 equals negative 1/2. X subtract 2. This is in slope point form. Negative x plus 2y equals 8. And that form is unknown. It is not general form, slope-intercept form, or slope point form. So what we need to do now, we need to take both of those equations, rewrite them in slope-intercept form to determine if they have the same slope. Is it a different slope, different y-intercept? Are they the same? We need to be able to compare and contrast those. So first of all, let's take y subtract 1, which equals negative 1/2 x subtract 2. We're going to actually rearrange that first and rewrite it as slope-intercept form. So we're using distributive property. Negative 1/2 times x is negative 1/2 x. Negative 1/2 times negative 2 will actually give us positive 1. We have to get y by itself. We're going to add 1 on either side. So the slope-intercept form for this equation is y equals negative 1/2 x plus 2. So this is our first equation here. So in this equation we have a slope of negative 1/2 and a y-intercept of positive 2. We're going to proceed similarly in the second equation. Negative x plus 2y equals 8. We're going to put it in y equals mx plus b form. So we're almost there. We just have to move our x variable by adding x on both sides. So it's positive 1x. You're left with 2y equals x plus 8. Next, we'll have to divide everything by 2 in order to get that y variable isolated by itself. Y equals 1/2 x plus 4. Now is a good time. We're going to compare and contrast both the slopes and the y-intercepts. So don't be too quick to say, okay, 1/2 and 1/2, same slope. It has to be exactly the same. We have a negative 1/2 here, which produces a negative line or negative slope. Here we have a increasing positive slope. So they are not the same. So the slopes here are different. And the y-intercepts are also different. So let's think back now to those three possibilities. Different slope, different y-intercept. Those two lines will intersect and will have a point of intersection. So the number of solutions for this linear system will therefore be 1. So number of solutions for here, it will have one solution.